Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Thursday. It's about 2:20 Eastern time, March the 12th. We did see some life in the cotton market after being pummeled lower for 10 consecutive days. The market will close higher today. Spot cotton was going to go up about 89 points, although it did trade over 100 higher late in the day. The export numbers today actually were a little positive, 36,000. Of course, that's better than last week's negative number in which China canceled 100,000 bales. Oddly enough, China was the major buyer today. Out of the 36,000, China bought 20,000. So makes one wonder why they canceled those bales last week. Exports today, shipments, that's cotton actually shipped, right at 308,000 bales. That was down from last week, but that was a marketing high, but still up almost 10% on the monthly pace. So we're shipping cotton big time. The major receiver of cotton ship was China, right at 68,000 bales. Of course, the market's hugely oversold on a short-term basis, and one would expect we should have finished higher today, and we did. Now, tomorrow we'll see how the market behaves. I suppose you could come in here and try to create some bottom pickers, thinking the market has bottomed, and even the exporters might buy it. So we'll have to see how that does play out. The other markets went out like this. Soybeans are going to be down about 3 or 4 cents. It looks like sales for beans were down 66%. Corn's going to come in a little bit less, down about 2 cents. Sales there were down 50% from last week. Wheat actually is the only grain market that really had a decent day, up about 8 cents. We did see a export number slightly down, 5% from last week, but 21% up on the average. The dollar was off today after that huge spike yesterday, although I think the dollar's not through to the upside, and the stock market has rallied some. Crude oil sold off some more today, the energies, but I think the story there is not so much the strong dollar today as much as the fear of running out of storage. We may have to take crude oil down to $40, according to the business channels, to work off this excess supply. So we'll see how that pans out. Anyway, tomorrow, end of the week, we'll be on here with you. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.